speak with you? It depends on what's the issue.
It has to do with the judge lying in her district, and I know she's the chief, so that would be one of the issues.
I think you can go through administration if you want to file a complaint of some sort.
I suppose I can, but I assume she's the chief, so this is something she would probably be concerned about, wouldn't you think?
Yeah, she just doesn't... That's probably not the right avenue to take.
Well, she is the chief judge of the district, correct?
Yes, she is, but the normal procedure is to go through administration if you have a complaint.
Who's the administration?
Amy Waddle is our court administrator.
So if I talk to... So I'm a little bit unclear as to why...
Well, because she would be on the phone all the time with people, and
okay.
That's just not the way we handle issues that come up.
Right. Well,
there's a process.
Right. Well, could I schedule 10 minutes?
No, I'm sorry, she just doesn't do that. I mean, she would just never have any time.
Right, but she is accountable to the people, right?
That's right, and we do have a process, and you're welcome to discuss your options with administration.
With Amy Waddle?
Yes.
Is she at 3882?
Yes.
Thank you.
Called Chief Bailin's office, and she said to talk to you about a complaint about a judge, or two judges, actually.
Are they judges or magistrates?
Judges.
Okay, and who did you talk to?
The clerk for Bailin's office. She said to talk to you.
Okay, and we have an office called Judicial Discipline that handles judge complaints. Magistrates report directly to Judge Bailin, but if it's a county or district court judge, you need to talk to the Office of Judicial Discipline.
Well,
I can give you that phone.
Right. I mean, Chief Bailin would have a concern if a judge was lying in her district, right? A district judge.
Judge Bailin doesn't have any control over the county or district court judges. That needs to go through the Office of Judicial Discipline.
So as a chief judge, she has no supervisory authority?
No, not over county and district court judges.
So she has no supervisory authority over a district court, for example, lying in her district?
That is correct.
But,
they are retained in office. They are not under her supervision.
Right, but wouldn't Canon 3B3 apply?
I don't know. I'm telling you that if you have a complaint about a district or county court judge, you need to go through the Office of Judicial Discipline, and there's also the Judicial Performance Commission that regulates the performance of county and district court judges.
Right, but you're familiar with Canon 3B3 or not?
I'm not an attorney. I'm telling you where you can go to make a complaint about a district or county court judge.
Okay, so here's my request then. If you could ask, through Chief Bailin's clerk or directly to her to review Canon 3B3, and then
I won't be doing that.
My question is,
so is there anything else I can help you with? I've already told you the resource I can provide to you.
So what you're telling me is you will ask Chief Bailin to review Canon 3B3, is that correct?
Not in this context, because I've given you the assistance that you need.
Okay, so I'll call the clerk and ask her that then. Thank you.
You are welcome to do that.
Yep, bye. And then I called Amy Waddle, and she said that her office would have nothing to do with that. I think Amy Waddle was the person you actually told me to call, and so I had suggested to Amy that she should ask Judge Bailin to review Canon 3B3. I mean, Waddle told me that Bailin has no authority over the district judges in your district, or the judges, district judges. So I think Canon 3B3 would apply. I assume you're not familiar with that. Amy wasn't familiar with it either, but my request is that you ask Judge Bailin to review Canon 3B3, and then give me a call, let me know, how we can talk about that. I mean, Canon 3B3 requires that if she becomes aware of a judge lying in her district, she's required to do something about it, which is different than both what you told me and what Amy told me. So, I mean, I don't know where you got your opinion, but I'm referring to the law, which is Canon 3B3. So, if you could have Judge Bailin review Canon 3B3, and then, you know, if you could give me a call and maybe figure out how I can report this to her directly or discuss it with her, that'd be fabulous. My phone number rule, again, is Canon 3B3, and it has to do with at least one judge in your district lying. Thank you.
Yeah, hi. I left a message the other day asking to speak to Chief Bailin for just like 10 minutes on the phone, and I didn't hear back from you, so you said she was busy, so I'm sure she is, but she did actually at one point write a 4-page letter describing her position on my case, so I think my request to have 10 minutes on the phone with her is fair to explain my position. And secondly, she has the ultimate responsibility for your district, and I would think, 10 minutes to discuss some dishonesty by judges and lawyers in your district, considering that she does have the ultimate responsibility, is reasonable. And so if you could call me back with some time so that I could talk to Chief Bailin on the phone for 10 minutes, or Amy Waddle actually has my email. That you could let me know the time that way as well. My phone. Thanks a lot.